Come and say hi. This is my girlfriend Zoe.
So Uncle Sam has a girlfriend now.
It's about time that I find someone to settle down with.
He's got a girlfriend now.
Jane, I finally gotten divorced, and now I'm living alone in Pilton. My life's a lot better now too. Have you made up your mind moving in with me?
Yes, I have. But I still need 2 months to settle some stuff over here first.
All right. Enjoy your remaining time with Uncle Sam then. Once you move to Pilton, it's gonna be hard for you guys to meet. He raised you all these years. You should thank him properly.
She's right. I can't be in debt to him for nothing. Before I go, I'll pay him every last cent that he spent on me. Uncle Sam, this will be the last time that you celebrate my birthday with me. Sam, we don't have much time left.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Nowhere.
Is there something important happening in 60 days?
There's something, I guess. I'm tired. I'm gonna turn in.
It's still dark outside. Where are you going? Today's a holiday. Trains aren't running. Get in the car. I'll drive you.
Sam! Jane, I didn't get to introduce myself yesterday. Sam told me that you're also studying art and design. Looks like we're in the same field. Sam and I are heading to Valia for a couple of days, so we're going to the airport now. Why don't we give you a lift too?
It's alright. I'll leave you guys to it then.
Did you hurt your leg?
You know what? Just come along. You're not a kid anymore. Don't make Sam worry. Sam, it's too shaky in here. Could you help me, please? Come on.
Uncle Sam, why did you make it so ugly?
Is this how it's done? Honestly, our Jane looks good in anything.
Uncle Sam, could you pick me up from school tomorrow?
I'll get the drive to do it.
Uncle Sam! Hi! I know that Uncle Sam pampers me the most.
You're all grown up, yet you still need to be carried.
I don't care. I want you to do it. Your warmth once belonged to me, but now I'm redundant to you.
I forgot my coat.
Just stop here.
It's so cold today. You're not going to the studio. Where are you going to?
I've got some stuff to do.
It's going to rain later. Take an umbrella. Stay safe.
You guys have fun.
除了你给的伞，我再也没有别的借口去拥有你的
She's more quiet than usual.
你能体谅我有
Oh, look! Mr. Bale's back.
What are you doing?
There was all this old stuff just lying around, so I'm just gonna toss them out.
You can just get Mary to do these sort of things.
Yes, allow me.
Jane, I got this for you from Valia. There.
Thank you.
Sam, I was thinking we should bring Jane to the Ginsberg banquet tomorrow so that we can introduce some young and handsome noble heirs to her. Jane here is already old enough to start dating. She can't just stay by your side all day long like a child does. Just imagine, when Sam and I get married in the future, you'll be so lonely.
All right then.
Mr. Bell and Miss Judd are perfect together. They really are a match made in heaven.
Exactly. This is his first time with a girlfriend in public. Guess they're about to make official.
Did you guys hear that the girl that he raised used to have a crush on him? I heard she even confessed a few times.
Nevertheless, she's still just Mr. Bell's pet.
Precisely. Mr. Bale and Miss Judd are already official. If I were her, I'd have buried myself in some hole somewhere by now. How'd she get the nerve to show up? Right?
All by yourself, miss? Give me your number. I'll be with you.
Sam, Miss Warner's calling for us.
Don't listen to them. Just do you. Give me your number. Do you drink? I'll have one with you.
It's a little stuffy. I need some fresh air.
You just exchanged numbers. And you're already chatting.
No. Uncle Sam? Why did you come out? Shouldn't you be inside with Zoe?
I thought you would be hungry, so I got you a cake. But it seems like you don't need it. I heard that Ben's a romantic gentleman. I'm sure he'll take care of you.
It was Aunt Grace who called me.
Since when did you start talking to your aunt?
Just a few days ago. She said she missed me and asked me to send some photos over.
When that incident happened, your aunt wasn't doing well either. But now, I heard things are better. So did she...
It's cold. We should head in.
Sometimes a woman's sixth sense is really accurate. Jane, there you are. You must be hungry. Here, let's go eat.
Jane!
Sam! My hand's bleeding. Let Ben take Jane to the hospital. You have to give these youngsters some space.
Uncle Sam!
Miss Rowe, I'll take you to the hospital.
Thank you.
10 stitches. Rest well, and there shouldn't be scars.
Thank you, doctor. Let's go. I heard that Sam adopted you when you were 7. I guess you're like a half-sibling. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ben Shaw, an excellent man. My background suits someone like you.
Thank you for today. But I'm not interested in you.
Do you want to hear more?
You shouldn't mix your drinks, or you'll get wasted really quickly. I think that Ben guy from today seems to really like Jane. I think that he'll take good care of her.
Give me your number.
You don't need to worry. Sam, why don't you just stay here tonight?
There's a document that I need for a meeting tomorrow. I'm gonna go home and get it.
Sam, you can't even lie. Did you cross a line? Or did you?
I guess Uncle Sam should be with Zoe. Plus, I'm leaving soon anyway.
Sam, I prepared all this alcohol especially for you.
Thank God she's alright.
Uncle Sam? Uncle Sam? Uncle Sam! You're drunk! I'm Jane! You're drunk!
我的话坚强像谎言一样，不过是一种伪装。他只希望有个机会能被你爱上。哦，
Why am I here? Jane?
Huh?
Why did I fall asleep here?
You were drunk yesterday.
Even so, you can't take me to your room. Jane. I already have a girlfriend. What did we do? I've said it many times before. You can't have these thoughts anymore. Maybe you should just move out.
What? No. Nothing happened last night. You were just drunk, and I couldn't carry you. It seems like you really don't remember what happened last night. That's probably better. I'm leaving soon, so it's better to avoid any further involvement. Are you coming home for dinner?
I'll eat at Zoe's.
For the past 3 years, I've confessed to him every year. He has probably gotten fed up. There's only 3 days till I leave. After selling my bags and jewelry, plus this month's wages, I can finally repay him every last cent he spent.
Jane, bring this cake over to the seat by the window. Once you clean up, you can go home.
So she's working as a waitress here. Can't I provide enough for her?
Sir, here's a bouquet of our lovely eternal roses for you.
Kiss! 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 Kiss!
Kiss.
Miss, please take my phone and record everything.
Kiss! 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 Kiss her! Kiss! 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 Woo! Kiss! 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 Kiss!
I'm sorry. My stomach is hurting.
Ms. Rowe, why haven't you touched any of the food?
Why did you take a job as a waitress there? Is the allowance I give you not enough for you?
That's not it. I've just been too free recently.
If you're bored, go paint or travel. Why are you suffering in that restaurant instead? Listen to me. You're not allowed to go to those places anymore. I can take care of you your whole life.
I'm not going anymore.
Why the long face? What's wrong?
Congrats, you're gonna be a mom.
Doctor, are you sure I'm pregnant?
The fetus is developing, but your body is way too weak. Once you miscarry, it'll be hard to get pregnant again, so you have to rest well when you get home.
I have something that I have to tell you.
Sam, I don't feel very well. Could you bring me some medicine?
Sure. Today's your birthday, so I ordered you a cake.
So he still remembers.
What did you want to tell me?
It's nothing. You should go do your thing. Could you come home tonight? Before I make my wish?
I've told you many times you cannot make these requests of me anymore.
I didn't want to confess. I just wanted to say a proper goodbye. Hello, Uncle Sam? It's almost midnight.
It's me, Zoe. He's in the shower, so he can't come to the phone now.
How long will he be? I'll wait for him to be done.
Jane, he's in the shower now. Don't you know what we're gonna do next? Or is it to say that you still don't understand what happened at the exhibition the other day? I'll wish you a happy birthday for him then.
Who was it?
Just a spam call. But I took care of it.
I need to head back.
To celebrate Jane's birthday. You said you wanted to keep her distance, so there's no need.
Just one last time.
My wish for my 22nd birthday is no longer to be with Uncle Sam forever, but rather for him to live a long and healthy life.
What did you wish for? Happy birthday.
Uncle Sam, this necklace must have cost a bomb.
Well, it suited you, so I bought it anyway.
What you gave me over the past 15 years, I've returned it in full. Uncle Sam, I give up. I wish you well. Goodbye forever. Sam Bale.
Your favorite dramas in one box.